How's it going? Welcome to Bregan Family. So we're excited to have you guys here today. My name is Amber.
My name is Gabrielle.
And today we're going to be showing you guys how to cook apple pie in the Power Airfryer Pro.
It's back there, guys, but we'll show you later. So we're going to be cooking apple pie today. I want to show you all the ingredients we'll be using today. Now, all these things we're going to be using will be left in the description. Okay, let's see.
That will be
we have a fork. We have a tablespoon. We have leftover apple filling, which it's really good because we tried it last night and it's good. We have, we're using Duncan Hines apple filling. We have brown sugar that we got from Walmart. We have McCormick ground cinnamon.
Yummy, I love cinnamon.
A knife, a cooking board. We also have pie crust. The brand is Pillsbury. Okay guys, let's get started. Okay guys, time to make the apple pie. We have our apple filling, cinnamon. We got a plate now. And we still have our fork. Well, I took the pie crust out. Now, you want to roll it out. And you want to cut it into a rectangle. It doesn't have to be a perfect rectangle, it just has to be a rectangle. Okay, we have it cut out. Now you want to place it over a pie crust place again, and you just want to cut out a rectangle in the same shape. They have to be the same size. Okay, we're almost done. Okay guys, we're done. We got two perfectly apple pie crusts. Now, you gotta fold that back a little bit. Now, you wanna open your McCormick ground cinnamon and pour some cinnamon on it. Not too much. You don't want it too cinnamony. Now, you get a scoop of apple filling and you just pour it in there. Make sure it's in the middle. Now, you grab the other half and you turn it over on top. Now, this is where you need a fork. Now, you gotta push down on the sides. And push down so the sides are sealed together. It's okay if some of the apple filling oozes out. Because you can just wipe it off. And our first one is done. Now, you gotta pick it up, be careful, and put it out there on the plate. Okay guys, first one's made. Just sit and watch the magic begin. It's time to get the egg wash on it. We gotta beat this egg That's why we also had the bowl and the fork. Gotta kind of eat it. Okay guys, I think our egg is ready. Let's set this egg down right here. I mean the fork. Okay, now if you don't have a brush or anything like that to smooth it on our apple pies, just use a paper towel. Grab the tip a little bit like this and dip it in the egg stuff. Now, you have that. Now you just want to wipe it on there like a brush. It's really cool how you can improvise through stuff you didn't know you could use. And you just wipe it on there. Okay. Okay. Get some more of this stuff.
Guys, we're also getting the whole apple pie, even the sides that she pressed down with a fork. You don't have to do a whole bunch, just very little. Just make sure you get the sides. Just the sides, just go back over the sides, Abriel, and I think we'll be good.
Hey.
You forget the sides on that last one.
Oh yeah. Gotta get a little bit more.
Okay.
Okay guys, got the sides done. Now guys, all you want to do is just get a little brown sugar and pour it on there. Yeah.
So we're sprinkling brown sugar on top, even the parts that you pressed down, all parts of it. Okay, let's making sure we get all of it. And guys, this is a pretty fast process. You're just sprinkling it. Doesn't have to be a whole bunch. It really just depends on how much you want on there. As you can see, Abriel is almost done, and she's just sprinkling kind of on all of them. And so, again, guys, this is just a really quick, a quick dessert or snack that you can make with your parents anytime. And it goes really, really quick.
Or if you're going to watch a movie, sit on the couch and enjoy this.
Yep, enjoy it, enjoy it. Because you work hard when you're a chef sometimes.
All done.
All done, Abriel?
Let's
Okay.
take this over to the air fryer.
Okay, so let's go to the air fryer. Okay, so, yes, no, yeah.
And there's one right here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, guys. When we're like warming this up, when everything is done and the timer goes off and everything, make sure you have parent assistance to pull it out because it's gonna be very hot. You can use one of these or something else. Okay, guys, let's open this. It's not hot right now, so it's good for me to touch it. So you just set it on this towel. Okay, since we've made 6, we put 3 on each pan.
3 on each rack.
Make sure they're spaced out.
Mm-hmm. Very good, Gabriel. Those look delicious. I can't wait to eat them. Can't wait till you get in my belly, apple pie. It tastes so good.
Now you gotta put them back on the rack.
So there's lots of rolls in there.
Okay, there we go.
Mm-hmm. Very good, Gabriel.
Grab this one.
Very good. That didn't take very long at all, Avery. Make sure they're pushed in
Close.
good.
Now, you want to turn it on.
Mm-hmm. Scoot over a little bit, Avery.
The temperature has to be 360, and the time has to be for 16 minutes. Now we just wait.
All right, you want to turn the light on in there?
Where's the light?
It's right there. Yeah, perfect.
There
So you
it
can
is.
watch them cook while they're going. It looks pretty good, guys. I can't wait. I'm so excited.
Okay, guys, our apple pies are done. I'm just gonna have my mom assist me and let her take them out.
That's right, kids. Always be safe. Have a grown-up do this part because it gets really, really hot. Press that out there.
Stand back, guys.
So I'm just gonna take it out and set them down on the rack. Hey guys, these things look so good, so delicious. And then I'm gonna close this Air Fryer Pro up. So make sure you check out the description, guys, so you can go ahead and grab this Air Fryer Pro. It's an amazing thing. Saves so much time and it's so fast and it's so fun, and it helps your kids be powerful. Just because they get to do cooking themselves, and we don't have to be so much all over them, and we can watch them but still know they're going to be super safe. I mean, Avery, how do you feel being able to cook something like this?
Fun and happy because it took harder. The one that I
Oh, you want to talk to the camera?
the one that I think that I like the best out of all of them I made is that one right there.
Mm-hmm.
It just looks so crisp.
Yeah, it does. It looks really, really good, huh?
And then my favorite one off of this plaque is the triangle one.
The triangle one. I like that one too because that was very creative.
My second favorite one on the plaque is that one because it has apples oozing out of it.
I know,
It's like
right?
an explosion or something.
It is like an explosion. A volcano explosion.
Yeah.
So guys, thank you so much for watching. And Avery, anything else you want to say?
No. Bye, guys.
Oh guys, and make sure you leave in the comments if there's anything else you want us to try in the air fryer. Let us know. Leave that in the comments because CJ, he's saying hi. Say hi, CJ. Say hi, everyone. So we'll leave those in the comments for us. Also, check the description box to get the links to get the Air Fryer Pro and any of the other products we use in the video. All right, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.